Welcome to Ifa Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Ọ̀rìnmìlà, the Erinmoles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. EJÌ OKÈ escapes from the sky to the earth. When he finally decided to escape into the universe, he did not come like the others through the womb. He fled from the sky to the earth with his possessions. He went for divination to a priest of Ifa named ՕLÓRΙ, RNKPN, NÍGBÀ, KÀRԵ, Fun Loaron. He was preparing to go before God to collect the flag of his guardian angel. He was told to make a sacrifice with a pig, a goat, a sheep, a ram, a bull, a male tortoise, and a female tortoise, a female duck, Pata, and a male duck, Pato. After performing the sacrifice, EJÌ OKÈ departed for the divine palace of God. He arrived at the palace while God was having breakfast. It was forbidden for anyone to see God while he was eating, and EJÌ OKÈ didn't know that he was having breakfast. God passed EJÌ OKÈ a small flag belonging to his guardian angel, but he ignored it and preferred to steal the largest flag he saw there and left. The one he took belonged to the angel of a king. As soon as he had the largest flag in his possession, he quickly embarked on the long journey to Earth. He was already climbing the 6th hill that leads to Earth when God realized that EJΙ OKÈ had left with the wrong flag. God sent a messenger to tell him to return. Before the messenger could catch up with him, he had already entered the Earth. The messenger returned to inform God that EJΙ OKÈ had escaped into the universe. Thus, he was allowed to prosper immensely on Earth. Before leaving the sky, he had been warned by the Awoses not to allow himself to lose equanimity. He was advised that, in order to prosper, he must learn to be patient and keep his temper steady, to avoid the risk of being surrounded by ill-intentioned people.